This is how to play umuhle Jehovah. I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp. Without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm going to start first by playing it to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. So it's a very simple song. It says umuhle, umuhle, umuhle Jehovah. Umuhle, umuhle, umuhle Jehovah. Umuhle, 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 umuhle Jehovah. Okay, it's quite easy. So it starts right on this chord. Remember, I'm using the key of C sharp. Okay, it starts right here on this chord. This is our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as C sharp major, first inversion. Okay, from 1 it goes to 4, which is this chord. Okay, it goes to number 4. This is F sharp major chord, F sharp major chord. And then from 4 it goes back to 1, first inversion. From 1 it goes to 5, second inversion, which is this chord. Okay, this is G sharp major, second inversion, also known as our number 5 on the major scale of the key of C sharp. So from 5 it goes back to 1. Okay, I said it's 1. Umuhle 4, umuhle 1, hle Jehovah 5. Back to 1. Okay, so when you play your first chord on the right, on the left you go to 1. When you play number 4, on the left you go to 4. When you go back to 1, on the left you also go to 1. When you go to 5, on the left you also go to 5. And then when you go back to 1, on the left you also go to 1. Okay, it's quite easy. It's umuhle, umuhle, umuhle Jehovah, umuhle, umuhle. Okay, so let's play it with a beat.